What is blood deficiency in Chinese medicine? So if you're watching this video and you've had that diagnosis given to you before by a Chinese medicine practitioner, or you've read a little bit about it, blood deficiency is very common. And I suppose the thing that it could be well equated to in Western medicine would be anemia, so having a low iron count in your bloods. Blood deficiency is a big deal if you've been diagnosed with that, because it's most likely going to mean that you are really tired. You might even be really cold. You might be quite dry, your skin might be quite dry. And if you're a female, it may have even had an impact on your menstrual cycle. So if your menstrual cycle has become really scanty, or if it's disappeared completely, we would look at that to mean that there's a certain amount of blood deficiency. And blood is so important. We talk about blood all the time in Chinese medicine as something that we want to nourish. It's not just something that delivers oxygen to your tissues. Blood for Chinese medicine practitioners is also how all of your organs are nourished. It's the yin tonic of the body. It not only nourishes your physical tissues, but it nourishes the mind. Some other things that can affect you if there is blood deficiency is sleep issues, insomnia. So for example, if there is heart blood deficiency, one of the key textbook signs and symptoms is having a lot of difficulty falling asleep. And then once somebody is asleep, that sleep is light and they could be woken up easily, startled easily, and then have a very difficult time falling back asleep. And if you're watching this and you're somebody who experiences insomnia, you'll know that it has a huge impact on the quality of your life. That feeling of being easily startled can definitely be traced back to what's going on with somebody's blood. And this becomes a little trickier, especially for women, if there is not enough blood building foods in the diet. And some people do really well getting their blood building foods from plants, if you're on a plant-based diet. And some people have a challenging time surviving just on that and feeling like they've got enough energy or iron. So, you know, we will often have to have that conversation with people about whether or not there are animal protein sources in the diet in which people are building their blood. Bone broths can be a really great way to tonify the blood, as can all the red fruits and berries. So roasted beetroots, raspberries, all of the berry families, and then also root vegetables as well. So things like sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have got such a high carbohydrate content, and that can actually be really important for building blood. And so if you'd like a little bit more information about blood deficiency or foods to tonify the blood, please see the link below.